Are you ready to build streams of income that keeps flowing even when you're not working? In this video, we shall be considering 9 beginner-friendly passive income ideas. We shall be looking at a step-by-step guide to starting each and how to scale up your passive income strategies in 2025. So whether you are a beginner, whether you're an intermediate or even an OG investor, this video might be helpful. So whether you are a student, whether you're a stay-home parent, or whether you're just someone looking for some extra income, let's get your journey to financial freedom started today. The first passive income idea we want to consider is affiliate marketing. How to start? Choose your niche, whether it is fashion, tech, business. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associate, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, Temu, Shein, or even Leonardo AI. Promote product using blogs, YouTube, or your social media channels. To stand out, you want to create honest and in-depth review, or you want to create how-to content featuring the products you are advertising. To scale up, use email marketing and also reinvest your profits into ads for more visibility. The second business idea we want to consider is printing on demand. The first thing you want to do is to create those beautiful designs. Then you want to partner with companies like Printify or Printful. If you are starting with a Shopify store, Printify and Printful will be some of the options. The next thing you want to do is to market your product, market your creation. So you can either market on YouTube or you can market on your social media space. For instance, create videos and market on TikTok. Now, you can attach the links to your products on your TikTok profile. To stand out, you want to target specific niches. For instance, pet lovers, book lovers, or even gamers. To scale up your business, you want to expand to other marketplaces like Etsy or even Amazon. The next business idea we want to consider is creating and selling ebooks. So I have been doing this for at least 9 months now and I am loving it. So the first thing you want to do, choose a topic or a niche you are passionate about. So whether it is parenting, whether it is personal finance, whether it is health, choose a niche, do your research, and create an ebook. Now you can generate your ebook outlines with the help of ChatGPT. So you want to input your ideas into ChatGPT and you can then create an outline. Once you have created your book, use tools like Microsoft Word or even Canva to format your ebook. You can sell your ebooks on Amazon or even Gumroad. To sell your book on Amazon, you want to set up your KDP account. The related video is on how to publish your own book on Amazon. You can watch that video for an in-depth step-by-step guide to book publishing. Also, another hassle-free way of selling your books is selling on Gumroad. So you can set up a simple Gumroad store today and start selling. To take it a step further, you want to launch your book. So you can launch one book or you can launch a series of books. Moving on to the next one on our list, investing in dividend stock. Now let's look at how to start. To start, you need to open a brokerage account on platforms like eToro or Robinhood. Now you want to research high dividends paying companies. To scale up, you want to reinvest your profits for compound interest. Also, diversify your investment across industries for stability. So this reduces the risk. As your income grows, you want to increase your monthly investment. This way, you get to scale up fast. Now we are moving to selling stock photos and videos online. For every opportunity I have to speak about passive income ideas, I always talk about selling stock photographies or videos online. You can use your smartphone or a camera to capture high quality picture or high quality video. You could edit with tools like Lightroom or Premiere Pro. Now head over to Shutterstock or Adobe or even Getty images. To stand out, you want to focus on trending niches like remote work settings or even sustainability. To step up or to scale up, you want to collaborate. The sixth one we want to look at is starting a YouTube channel. Now, before you start, pick a niche, for instance, tech, finance, travel, or business. Post videos consistently and optimize them with SEO titles and tags. Even before Google AdSense monetization, you can make money through affiliate marketing or even selling your own courses or offering online courses on your YouTube channel. Once you have hit the monetization threshold, you want to enable ads with Google AdSense. You could also make money from sponsored posts and, like we said earlier, through affiliate marketing. And don't forget, YouTube is one of the best ways to market any of your business or your services, and I can attest to that. Since I started this channel, my book sales have doubled in the past 3-4 weeks. So the more traffic I get, the more I notice people are beginning to buy my books. Now, to stand out, you want to use eye-catchy thumbnails and you also want to endorse storytelling style. So for me personally, I have been working on my thumbnails for a couple of weeks now. It's not quite there, but I'm sure we are headed somewhere. And about the storytelling part, I don't have a hang of that yet, but I am also working on it. To scale up your YouTube channel fast, you want to diversify your content, especially if you are a small creator. Diversify your content and make efforts to collaborate with other creators. The next one we want to consider is renting out your space or items. So you can list your spare room on Airbnb, or you can even rent out unused items like bicycles, like camera, on platforms like Turo. You want to take professional photos and write appealing descriptions. Offer excellent customer service to build good reviews. To stand out in your Airbnb business, you want to manage multiple listings, or you could even be a co-host. The next one we want to consider is selling online courses. So you want to identify your skills, whether it is coding, whether it is cooking, whether it is lecturing, whatever it is. Create a course outline. Record your course videos using tools like Camtasia or Loom. You can sell your courses on platforms like Teachable or even Udemy. If you think these platforms are too complicated, sell your courses on Gumroad. Now, if you don't want to sell on Teachable or Udemy, you can set up your own simple website, sell your courses on your website. And to stand out, you want to include downloadable course resources, and you also want to offer live Q&A sessions. Now, to scale up, create unique and advanced courses. You could also consider a subscription-based learning platform. Finally, let's consider peer-to-peer lending. The first thing you want to do is to head over to platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. Once you have set up your accounts, lend small accounts to multiple borrowers to minimize risk. To scale up, you want to reinvest your earnings. This helps build your portfolio. To track your progress, you want to use things like Google Sheets or Notion to track income and growth. Leverage social media. Promote your goods and services for free to a broader audience. Also, you want to invest in learning. Take courses or watch tutorials to refine your skills and knowledge. So, which of these 9 passive income ideas is calling out to you? Please let me know in the comments. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so we can win together. And don't forget to like this video and share with whomever you think might need it. And on this note, I say thank you very much, and I shall see you in the next one.